have any money, or you can have a lot of money and not have any assets. And today I finally have an income and I have some money, but I don't have enough money for the next step, and I can't take the next, but at the same time, I don't have the ability to make the next step on my own. So today, bottom line is I need people, I need workers, I need investors, I need people to join the business, join the team, but I don't have the ability to pay out of pocket the money that you normally have to pay a truck driver, you normally have to pay a bricklayer, for example. But again, what I'm offering you here is worth much more than money. I'm offering you a profession. I can teach you. If you're willing to learn, I can teach you. I've learned how to drive a 13-speed transmission. I've learned to drive 3 on the tree. I've learned all sorts of different skills, which you can see from my videos. I can speak 5 different languages, and I am the sole author of a mathematics textbook. Not to brag, but these things are worth more than money, and that's what I'm offering today, the opportunity to be part of my business. Now, what can I offer you instead? I can't offer you money, like I said, a lot of money. I can offer you some money, but I can at least offer you a place to stay. So my idea today is that I can get, what I'm hoping to accomplish with this video is that I can get adventurous people, which will probably have to be young. It will be difficult if you have a family. To get young people that can see this ambition, see my vision, and join me in this team, in my team. So you would be, as of May 1st, I'm officially moving full-time to my property. I currently have a motorhome. It's vacant land as of now. So my next project, my big project, my main project for this year is to build a home, to build a house, and then sell it. And that's when the big money will come in, I believe. Now, the way I see it is, you have a business, you have a profession, money is just a side effect. Whereas if you have money, like I said, like the saying says, you can have money for a day, maybe for a week, but you'll just use it. Whereas I'm looking for someone that can make money. That's another reason why I don't want a regular worker. I don't want somebody that wants, hey, I want to get my $2,000 at the end of the week, or my $1,000 at the end of the week. I don't want people that want money. I need people that can make money. But what I'm offering you as well is something that's worth a lot of money today, and is a place to live. About 70% of people in Canada don't own their own home, and around almost everybody, at least everybody that I know, is paying about $3,000 a month on rent or mortgage. What I'm offering you is a free place to live, a place to live free of charge. If you can join me in my motorhome, me and my other business partner in my motorhome, or you can buy yourself your own motorhome for about between $3,000 to $5,000. You can buy something that's ready to go, that's in great shape. And so you can buy yourself a small home for the price of what people pay in a month for a place that they don't even own. So perhaps I can't offer you the opportunity to make money right away today, but I can offer you the opportunity to save money. So sometimes, and that's another thing that I've come to realize, and hopefully you realize that as well. Sometimes saving money is just as important as making money. And there are currently people that are on the land, and I'm hoping I can find like-minded individuals to join me. So you would have access to the land if you join me in this project. You would be able to live there free of charge. Now there's lots of different ways today. The 3 main businesses that I need is the construction, the trucking, and for the trucking, I don't care about your experience. I don't even want to see your resume. I care about your attitude, your determination, and your ambitions, and if you consider yourself to be an entrepreneur. I want somebody that's willing to make the sacrifice and willing to learn. I can teach you whatever you need. I can teach you how to fix a car. I can teach you how to drive a truck. I can pay for your truck license, right? But I just can't guarantee right now, today, that you're going to make money, and I don't want that kind of people. Now, the way I see it for the trucking business, which is my main business priority for now, is you can start making money as soon as you have your truck license. Or you can start driving the other truck right away if you have your regular G license for a car. Now, for the construction, again, you have to understand that sometimes these big businesses, they don't give you any money. They actually take away your money. So to build a house, you don't make any money when you're building a house. In the same way that I didn't make any money when I was repairing or restoring my own car. You just make money when you sell it. And that's something that's very important for you to understand. But you can also get a part-time job and work for me part-time. There's lots of different options to consider. I need a lot of other different skills. I could use a secretary. I could use a video editor. I'm looking for investors. I'm looking for a graphics designer, somebody that knows how to make apps. I would like to start a website and I've got some other ideas for different websites, for social websites. I'm not a computer guy, so that's something that I can't do on my own. So there's various different ways and various different skills. Whatever skill you have, I can use it. Whatever you have, if you're willing to learn, I value that determination and persistence more than anything else. What else can I say? So if you feel like you want to join in an adventure, it will be an adventure because I've never lived in a motorhome on my own, to be honest. So it is a bit of an adventure. I've never built a house on my own. I know how to build it from my years of experience in construction. But I do feel like being part of such a team would be very adventurous, and it would be a lot of fun as well. So if you're young and ambitious and you consider yourself, you can see my vision, and maybe you have visions of your own. Maybe you have your own ambitions, and maybe we can work together and help each other to achieve our goals. I really believe in society. I really believe in working together. I really believe that nobody that's at the top today, nobody that you can think of that's famous, that's a millionaire, is a millionaire on their own. There's always people that work with them and for them. So I've come to that realization that I can never achieve my goals on my own. So if you consider yourself an entrepreneur and you feel like you want to be in an adventure, contact me. Reply to this video, write a comment below, or contact me directly. I'm also on Instagram. There's also my email and my WhatsApp listed on the website. The email is oldcrowsclassiccars@gmail.com. I'll post it in the description as well. And yes, please, I'm really looking forward to this year. This year for me is a year of decision. It's a year of change, a year of transition, a year of going into the next step. If you feel like you want to be part of the team, don't hesitate. Whatever skills you have, whatever age you have, it doesn't matter to me. The only thing that's absolutely necessary is determination and persistence. Those are the only things that are a must. The only things that you absolutely need to have. Everything else, I honestly believe that it can be worked out.